Holy sheet! Running totals are missing from Excel pivot tables. I teach people about pivot tables a lot. I'm always showing this little trick. Double click the heading here. Go to show values as. Open this drop down. You got to scroll down towards the bottom. And right there, running total in is one that I use all the time. So yesterday, I'm in Springfield, Illinois, live in front of 200 people, showing how to do this. Double click revenue. All right, first off, the dialog box has changed. It's a lot whiter, newer. That's all fine. Sum, count, average, max, min. Same 11 that we've had before. Go to show values as and open this drop down. All right, no longer a scroll, right? It now shows all of the options, but I come down here to running total in, which is right by percentage running total in, and it is not there. Like, you know, what the heck? How could Microsoft remove running total? Scrambled around, looked here, here, here. You know, I said to the 200 people, does anyone see it? Right? None of us. We were all blind to it. It's up here, running total, right? Why would they rearrange these? They're not alphabetical. Clearly, running total and percentage running total belong together. They've always been together. This confused the heck out of me, and I bet it's going to confuse the heck out of you, and I hope you find this video and know that it is there. Here's my cheat sheet. This is the old order they were in. This is the new order they're in. I would love to know what the rationale is. Is this by popularity? Did you sort it by popularity? Things that used to belong together, like percentage of row total, percentage of column total, are no longer together. And to the Excel team, I love what you're doing with pivot tables. I love that we're getting the formatting from the grid. I love the auto refresh. I even don't mind that this is now the new white style with no scroll. But to rearrange these into these, it's really super confusing. I'm curious what you think of this. Is there any reason why this is better? I had one friend this morning theorize and said, well, maybe for someone who's never created a pivot table before, this will make more sense. But I don't see it. And of course, for 30 years, I've been used to this, right? So it's a jarring change. Who moved my order of the value field settings? But let me know down in the YouTube comments. I like the new dialogue. I like that we don't have to scroll. All that's good. Just bring us back to the same sequence we used to be in before. Or now that I know that it's screwed up, is it just that I have to actually, go find it instead of panicking and thinking that running total is not there? I don't know. Will I get used to this? Great question. Well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.